In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your knowledge base template in Hubspot. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, breathing new life into your knowledge base can help you better serve your customers and team. Now, let's get started with these simple steps and set you on your path to optimizing your Hubspot experience. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Hubspot homepage. If you haven't bookmarked it already, you can simply search for Hubspot in your browser and it should be among the top results. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to find and click on the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing all the wonderful tools Hubspot has to offer. Make sure to enter your login credentials carefully to avoid any hiccup logging into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Hubspot home. This is your central hub where you'll see a range of user-friendly options and features that you can explore. For today's task, our focus is on managing and customizing the content part of the platform. As you look at the sidebar on the left, you'll notice various categories. Go ahead and click on Content. This action opens the doors to all your content related functionalities. Now within the content section, hover over to find the knowledge base option. The knowledge base is where you can keep important documents, FAQs and articles that help your customers understand your product better. Click on knowledge base to dive in. You are now stepping into the area where all your articles and resources reside, waiting to be tailored and perfected. Next, direct your attention to the right hand side of your screen. There you'll find an actions option. Clicking on Actions reveals a drop-down menu with various commands to help you manage your knowledge base. It's important for us today because through this menu we gain access to editing your existing templates. Finally, in the Actions menu, you'll want to select the Edit option. Clicking Edit grants you the autonomy to start making specific changes to your knowledge base template. You can adjust the design, change the layout, and even include custom scripts or styles according to your brand's unique aesthetic and functional needs. By following these steps, you've now customized your knowledge base template, enhancing your HubSpot functionality and making it more aligned with your or your company's needs. Customize as necessary, ensuring the content is as clear, helpful, and visually appealing as possible for your end users. Practice makes perfect, and don't be afraid to explore and experiment with different design elements to find the ideal configuration that works best for you. Thanks for joining me today, and happy customizing.